Hello everyone, your recipe here from your Rice Fashion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. Very beautiful one, bright looks based for your festive wear. So let me display very exclusive one, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design. Very nice one. 24SP1 is saree code, 4900 is saree price. Very elegant looks. Same material. Today I have draped different color, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design. This one is full base part, base part is beautiful fine embroidery. This one is pure organza with beautiful embroidery design. This one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, comfortable, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine embroidery design. Full base part is embroidery work, very nice one. Same material. Today I have draped full base embroidery design. Beautiful one, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5400 for your smart looks. This is same material, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design. 24SP2 is saree code, 4900 is saree price. Same material, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design, very elegant color combinations also. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, fully fine embroidery design, very nice one, smart looks. This one is pure organza, transparent with beautiful embroidery design, very nice one, fully fine embroidery work, very smart, elegant, trendy looks, very trendy one. This one is full base part is beautiful embroidery design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part is embroidery work, very nice one, bright, beautiful looks, very elegant one. Same material. Today I have draped different color and I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5300 for your smart, trendy, exclusive festive looks. This one also black base, same material, pure organza with beautiful bright color embroidery design, fine embroidery work, full base part is embroidery design, very nice one, bright gorgeous looks based for your festive wear. This one is full base part with fine embroidery work, very nice one, very gorgeous looks also. Full base part is very bright fine embroidery work. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece and full part is embroidery work, very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, pure organza with embroidery. Same material today draped. Today I have draped and I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5600 for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful one, pure matka, pure handloom, 24SP4 is saree code, 6200 is saree price, beautiful one, pure muslin with beautiful weaving design, jamdani weaving work. This one is full base part and this one is beautiful multi-color weaving stripes pattern border, highlighted silver zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border, and this one is full base part, pure muslin with beautiful floral pattern jamdani buta, very nice one. This one is full base part, transparent, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color fine stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one, elegant, bright, gorgeous, festive looks. This one is full base part, pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with beautiful weaving buta work, floral pattern weaving buta work, and this one is running blouse piece, silver zari fine stripes running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful stripes pattern border, very colorful also, based for your festive wear. And I will suggest this synthetic material stripes buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your elegant gorgeous looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also. 24SP5 is saree code, 6200 is saree price. Very nice one, pure handloom matka with multi-color fine stripes pattern border. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portions, multi-color fine stripes pattern, fully weaving border, highlighted silver zari lines, and this one is full base part, beautiful matka base. And this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, very colorful stripes design, highlighted silver zari stripes with multicolor stripes, and beautiful weaving buta design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base, very nice one, elegant looks, based for your festive wear. This one is running blouse piece, silver zari stripes, and this one is full base. Beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6600 for your exclusive bright festive looks. You know, very beautiful and elegant looks. 24SP6 is saree code, 6200 is saree price. Very beautiful one, off white base, golden zari border, pure handloom matka with beautiful jamdani work. Very nice one. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful elegant looks, golden zari 1-inch golden zari border, and beautiful jamdani buta and sequin design also with jamdani buta. Very exclusive one. This one is pure handloom matka base with beautiful golden zari border and beautiful weaving buta design, jamdani weaving buta design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, a contrast color with golden zari stripes, and this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, black shaded, grayish black shaded pallu with highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful sequin work. Very nice one. And this one is beautiful jamdani work pallu. Very nice one, golden zari with a contrast color, threaded weaving design, jamdani work with sequin design. Very nice one, elegant, smart, exclusive, trendy looks. This one is full base part, beautiful border, and I will suggest this silk material with self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6700 for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, gorgeous festive looks. 24SP7 is saree code, 5900 is saree price, matka with beautiful Banarasi weaving buta and border design. Very elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is soft, lightweight, also pure handloom one. This one is full base part. This one is beautiful weaving, this contrast color red border with beautiful fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta work, Banarasi weaving buta design, and this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color red shaded with beautiful hand weaving buta design, heavy work buta design pallu, and this one is full base part. Very elegant, bright looks, based for your festive wear, very traditional looks also. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, and beautiful weaving buta design. Very elegant one, golden zari weaving work, and this one is border, and this one is, you know, running blouse piece. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your exclusive bright, gorgeous festive looks. This one also, you know, same material, pure matka, pure handloom matka with weaving work, Banarasi weaving work. 24SP8 is saree code, 5900 is saree price, black with contrast border, contrast red weaving border, golden zari weaving design. This one is, you know, full base part. This one is border portion, bright red shaded with beautiful golden zari fine weaving design border and beautiful golden zari buta or work, Banarasi buta. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color maroon shaded with beautiful weaving design pallu. And this one is full piece part, bright beautiful gorgeous looks, pure handloom matka with Banarasi buta and border. This one is full piece part. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. Very elegant, trendy, smart, looks bright also. Best for your festive wear. And I will suggest this golden base self weaving buta work bouquet buta contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6300 for your exclusive bright gorgeous festive looks. This one also beautiful one. 24SP9 is saree code, 6200 is saree price, matka base with beautiful sequin design border and pallu also. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, pure handloom matka, golden zari border and border portions is beautiful weaving pattern, border design with sequin work, golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border and with sequin highlighted sequin design. And this one is full base part, pure handloom matka base, and this one is full base part, very nice one, bright beautiful gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant looks, bright also, best for your festive wear. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color magenta pink shade pallu with golden zari weaving design, fully hand weaving design, highlighted pallu with sequin design, very nice one, elegant bright gorgeous looks. This one is beautiful pallu work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6700 for your trendy smart exclusive looks. Very beautiful elegant one, exclusive color combinations. 24SP10 is saree code, 6200 is saree price, beautiful color. This one is pure handloom matka base with border design, silver zari border and beautiful weaving design, full base part. This one is full base part, pure handloom matka base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very traditional exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, silver zari stripes pattern running blouse piece and full base part is matka base with jamdani work, hand weaving jamdani design. And this one is pallu part, very highlighted one, stripes silver zari with contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very elegant looks and full base part is jamdani weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6800 for your exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, 24SP11 is saree code, 6000 is saree price, very nice one, muslin and matka base, golden zari border and beautiful jamdani design. This one is full base part, this one is matka base with sequin design and this one is muslin with beautiful jamdani work and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden muslin base, highlighted golden zari stripes with sequin work, pallu design, very nice one, again golden zari fine stripes, middle portion is highlighted sequin design, very elegant looks. And this one is full base part, this one is stripes matka base sequin stripes design and this one is muslin with beautiful jamdani work and this one is matka base, very exclusive smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is pink base matka base, half portion and half portion is muslin and matka stripes, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving self weaving bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your exclusive smart trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, 24SP 12 is saree code 6200 is saree price. Very elegant looks of white base, golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful weaving design, smart weaving design border portion. This one is border portions, beautiful one, golden zari with contrast color thread weaving design with highlighted sequin work. Very nice one. This one is matka base, off white base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design, hand weaving design pallu, highlighted stripes pattern with sequin design and beautiful sequin design pallu part. Very nice one, pure handloom matka piece. This one is full base part, beautiful one, golden zari border, highlighted border portion. Very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, golden zari fine stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base part matka piece. Very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your exclusive elegant looks. Also very beautiful one, soft comfortable span silk 24SP13 is saree code 3400 is saree price. Very elegant one, soft comfortable, based for your office wear, also very nice one. This one is full base part span silk pure handloom one, and this one is beautiful stripes pattern smart border design, and full base part is beautiful silver zari weaving buta design. Very elegant, smart, trendy looks, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and full base part is fine weaving buta design silver zari, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine silver zari weaving design pallu. Very nice one, beautiful hand weaving design pallu, fully silver zari, and this one is full base part. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, fine weaving buta design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this synthetic material heavy brocade work, very bright color brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart exclusive looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600. This one also very beautiful one, same material different color, very elegant color combinations. 24SP14 is saree code 3400 is saree price. Very nice one, soft lightweight pure handloom span silk highlighted stripes pattern border, and full base part is beautiful silver zari weaving buta design. This one is full base part pure handloom one, beautiful silver zari weaving buta design. Very nice one, smart looks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine hand weaving silver zari hand weaving design pallu. Very elegant one. And this one is beautiful smart border design, contrast color, fine stripes pattern border. Very elegant one, beautiful, soft, lightweight, comfortable with silver zari buta work, full base part. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. Very trendy one, beautiful exclusive looks. And I will suggest this synthetic material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your exclusive smart bright looks, elegant also. This one also beautiful one, bright color combinations, very nice one. 24SP15 is saree code 8300 is saree price. Very nice one, pure handloom hand spun matka with resham stripes and beautiful silk sequin design, very exclusive smart one. This one is full base part, beautiful base is pure handloom hand spun matka, and these are resham, pure resham silk stripes design, full base. And this one is border portions, beautiful sequin design border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with silver zari weaving hand weaving jamdani buta, and this portion is beautiful sequin highlight sequin design, highlighted the pallu, very exclusive one. This one is beautiful silk sequin design and pallu part, and this one is Jamdani buta silver zari weaving and pure resham silk base pallu, and this one is full base part resham stripes, and this one is border portion silk sequin border, very exclusive, and pallu end is beautiful designer pom pom beads, very exclusive, smart one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom hand spun matka with resham stripes. And I will suggest this silk material, a heavy golden saree weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 8600 for your exclusive bright looks. This one also very bright one, pure handloom linen, natural fabric linen with Jamdani work. 24SP16 is saree code, 3800 is saree price, very bright one, beautiful. This one is contrast color border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving Jamdani work. This one is beautiful work, very colorful, also black base, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with multi-color weaving buta design, and this one is border portion, and this one is border contrast color, very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, beautiful work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted weaving design, contrast color, highlighted weaving design pallu, very smart, trendy, exclusive, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also same material, natural fabric lane by lane, 24SP17 is saree code, 3800 is saree price, beautiful one, green shade, parrot green shade with beautiful weaving design, full base part, very nice one. This one is border portions, beautiful weaving design, hand weaving design, Jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design and parrot green shade, natural fabric lane by lane. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, beautiful hand weaving Jamdani work pallu, very nice one, beautiful, elegant, smart looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your exclusive, smart, beautiful looks. This one also very nice one, bright looks. 2SP18 is saree code, 3500 is saree price, natural fabric lane by lane, pure handloom one, highlighted contrast color piping with beautiful weaving golden zari weaving buta design, natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful golden zari weaving buta work, full base part, very nice one, elegant, trendy, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full piece, very bright looks. And I will suggest this synthetic material brocade work, brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. Also same material, beautiful one, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane, 24SP19 is saree code, 3500 is saree price, very beautiful one, purple shade natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful golden zari weaving design buta. This one is contrast color piping, 1 inch border you can say, and this one is beautiful Jamdani buta golden zari weaving design Jamdani work, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color golden zari stripes, fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful Jamdani buta, very nice one, elegant looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, purple base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, beautiful looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And today I have draped, I already mentioned, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design, bright magenta pink shade, and full base part is heavy embroidery work. This one is pallu part, full base same embroidery design, fine embroidery work, very nice one. Beautiful, smart, trendy looks. 4900 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.